Yum, yum!
Floyd here with a quick introduction to the Proxy Workflow in Octane for Modo, which enables you to replace a mesh item's geometry with the geometry of another file at render time. For this example, I'll use the Proxy Workflow on this tooling for the shoe. Start by copying the high-res mesh into a new scene, start the Octane render, then click the Export Render button on the render toolbar. Choose Export Frame, save the file, and then return to the original scene. Create a low-res proxy mesh, and delete the original high-res mesh. Navigate to the Octane properties for the mesh, and select the exported Orbix file for the proxy file name attribute. The low-res proxy can be moved, scaled, and rotated in item mode, and the high-res will be updated in the render. Use this powerful feature to improve OpenGL performance and reduce scene save and load times. Oh, look at the time.